Jen Reyes. Hindi nakuha yung tirang yon ni Suzanne Roses, na dati ding magkakampi sa national team na pumuntang Vietnam. Ito si Nika Guliman. Dating taga Lyceum. With that serve. Combination play kay Inglet. Mainit ang simula ni Phil kay Inglet sa larong ito.
Lahat ng bolang nahawakan ni Phil almost converted into a point.
Naririnig natin yung awu-awu na naman dyan ng mga tropang power spikers dyan sa likuran ng Meralco, ha? Kay Inglet, nice sharp serve, Soltones. Hirap at si Charo hindi na naitawid ang mga bola. So even on the service, Phil kay Inglet doing well. Ano pa yan? Awu-awu. Because that's the official ball of the Shakey's B-League. Bakit awu? Tanungan natin sa mga tropang power spikers mamaya yan. Aha! Eto na naman, Sue Roses.
Ang nawala doon, blocking ng Meralco.
So habang nasa harapan si Sue Roses, binubuhay po niya itong kupunan ng Smart Maynilad. Here is Maruba Natikla. Reyes sa reception. April Jose, running attack naman para dito kay Micah Morada. Tinip lang. Eto kayo, Sue Roses na naman. Grabe!
Ang makikita mo kay Sue, binabasa niya talaga yung depensa ng kalaban para dadalhin niya yung bola kung saan walang tao.
Kay Inglet, April Jose nakaluhod. Maureen penetrante o ano. Melissa Gohing ngayon. Free ball from Soltones. Jose. Combination, Panay Mercado off the block. Kept alive there by Soltones pero natawid. Ruby De Leon. Sa kabila naman, Soltones. Single block. Galing kay Maureen penetrante o ano. A former Shakey's B-League MVP. Nice serve there coming from Micah Morada. And a free ball given up by Roses. Tinawid ulit ni Paning. Running attack, Roses. Nice take by Morada. Here's Paning Mercado ngayon. Trying to go down the line. Hindi natamaan ang linya.
Paning off to a slow start. But nonetheless, lamang pa rin naman ang Meralco.
By 4 points, 11-7. Sue Roses, another former Shakey's B-League MVP. Multiple yan. Mercado tries to drop it. Roses is there. Soltones, almost unmarked. Dug up by Jen Reyes. April Jose. Maureen penetrante. Nice dig that time by Smart. Oh! Gretchen Soltones. Sue Roses going wide on her serve. Apat na naman ang kalamangan dito ng Meralco Power Spikers as Coco Wang moves to the front. De Leon. Soltones off the block. Penetrante is there. Panay Mercado. Nasubo kay Charo Soriano. Coco Wang getting it across. Kay Inglet keeping it alive. Morada from behind. Everything but the point for Micah Morada.
Well, right now, what we're seeing dito sa koponan ng Meralco, si Wang hindi pa rin masyadong na-utilize as much. Nagkakapaan pa sila nila April Jose.
Charo Soriano, the jump serve is back. Fielded there by her former teammate, Phil Inglet. Here is Panay Mercado. De Leon, another combination. Gretchen Soltones, and it looks like Jen Reyes is a step slow dun sa zone 5, or sa zone 6 rather. Charo Soriano again. Go ahead, Dan.
Well, Smart has been steady, getting 1 point at a time. Napako ang Meralco at 12.
Here's De Leon. Across, that's not a good ball for Soltones, and that's gonna be a point for Meralco. Sabi mo lang, pinako. Ayan. An error there on the set from Ruby De Leon. Kung pumasok yan dito sa Shakey's B-League, maraming napamangha sa kanyang kagalingan sa open spiker position for Lasal. De Leon, one more time. Soltones, this time takes something off of that at pinahiya niya si Coco Wang.
Sabi nga, huwag mo kong daanin sa height.
Medyo may kalakihan naman. Coco Wang, 6'3", long arms, 28 years old. Studied college in, according to Phil Inglet, isang university sa California. Soltones with the jump serve. April Jose going back to the open for Phil Inglet, dropping it over everybody in a collision between Soltones and Manatikla.
Inglet right now making volleyball look so easy.
Our slow-mo replay brought to us by Rexona Anti-Perspirant Deodorant. It won't let you down.
The Power Spikers.
kung makikita mo yung approach ni Phil, hindi threatening eh. Pero pagdating niya sa mid-air, nakatalon na siya.
Right.
You see how smart an attacker she is.
Guliman trying a power tip that time. And Kainglet going across. Dug up that time by Banatikla. Now Banatikla on offense. Reyes, naabutan. Backset ngayon, Maika Morada. Nasagip naman yun ni Soltones. Ruby De Leon hinulog. Nandun naman si April Jose. Kainglet, De Leon. Banatikla. Mercado, haba nitong rally to. Out of nowhere, Maika Morada. Pero nablangka naman siya doon. Hindi ka Guliman. Kainglet, Roses. De Leon. Nakakapit na si Henry Muñoz sa akin. And Banatikla blocked by Coco Wang, but there's a net violation against the Chinese imports.
It was a long rally. One of the longest that we've seen. Look at the players
And
catching
look
their
at the
breath.
fans also. Tuwa-tuwa naman at kumakaway. Habang kinukulan sila rito. 14-12.
Talagang mapapahabol sila ng hilingan nila sa
Oo.
haba nung rally na yun.
Ruby once again. Sharp serve this time. Jen Reyes. Here's Coco Wang. Her first point on Philippine soil. And total, nag-aaral din sa Amerika ito si Coco Wang. Very fluent mag-English.
Oo, she understands English. So, ay yung language barrier kahit paano may eliminate na. Ang kailangan, what they need to work on at this point, yun na lang pag-gel sa loob ng court.
Coco Wang now on the serve. Here's De Leon. And Coco Wang cannot get to that shot deflected. So si Duroses nakagawa na naman. 15-13. Para mag-serve. Nika Guliman, dati rin miyembro ng national team.
Oo. Yung height niya, syempre.
Yes. There's a quick set. Penetrante. Ruby kept it alive. Nika across. April. Quick set to M. And M penetrante.